The news is coming in. The Delhi police have now issued a lookout circular for two-time Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar, who is absconding after 23-year-old former junior national champion Sagar Rana was beaten to death during a brawl at the Chhatrasal Stadium parking area. Now, the FIR has been lodged and charges of murder, abduction and criminal conspiracy have been filed. Let's go across to Atul, who's got more details on this. Yes, Atul, tell us more. We understand that the victims have alleged that Sushil Kumar and his accomplices actually abducted them, and thereafter it was a pre-planned conspiracy under which this brawl took place, and there was the murder of Rana.
Well, definitely an FIR was lodged with Model Town Police Station. The Delhi police is saying that they have recovered mobile footage from the spot in which Sushil Kumar was seen beating up the victim. And that is why the FIR was lodged against Sushil Kumar. FIR has name of Sushil Kumar. When Delhi police went to his home to record his testimony, he was not found there. Apart from his, Delhi police tried to contact everyone who was known to Sushil Kumar, saying that he should come forward to join the investigation, to get his statement recorded, but he was not willing to come forward to join the investigation. And this morning, the Northwest District Police had to approach the authority concerned to get an LOC issued against two-time Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar. Remember, even I had gone to his house. The family members did not want to talk to media. They were saying that they will only speak once the name of Sushil Kumar is removed from the FIR. So such was kind of, you can say that arrogance. Such was the kinds of the arrogance that family members were showing to us. Even they did not bother to open the gate when I was standing outside the home of Sushil Kumar. Delhi police is saying that what they have got against Sushil Kumar is that one testimony before Sagar Rana died. He had given a statement to police that it was Sushil Kumar who was beating him. So no doubt it is a kind of dying declaration which will be used as an evidence against Sushil Kumar. Second thing is that a footage of mobile which was made from someone who was present at that time inside Chhatrasal Stadium when the brawl was going on. This has been recovered by the Delhi police. In this footage, Sushil Kumar can be seen beating victims. So no doubt that is why Delhi police is saying that they have got some crucial evidences against Sushil Kumar, and now he is on the run. He is not willing to come forward to join the investigation, and in this kinds of situation, Delhi police is left with no other options but to get an LOC issued against him.
All right, Atul joining us live with those details. Thank you for the moment, Atul. As you're pointing out, a lookout notice has been issued against the Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar, who's now absconding after 23-year-old Sagar Rana was beaten to death during a brawl at the Chhatrasal Stadium.